Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to repair your ship in Windrose. There are two main methods to do this and I'll go through both of them. The first one is the wharf method. If you have your ship parked and you're near your wharf, you can go ahead and use it. Click on your docked ship and here you'll see the percentage of health that your ship has. You can click on it and this is going to give you the repair cost. To repair the ship, you can go ahead and click yes, and as you can see, it has 100%. Now, the second method to do this is a method which you can use while in battle or just on the sea. This requires you to have the repair kits in the ship action panel. Also, you can make the combat repair kits, which, as you can see, restore 30% ship health over 10 seconds, whilst the repair kit restores more of the ship health, but over a longer period of time. So, to use it, you want to steer the ship, and as you can see down on the right, just press the number on which you'll have the repair kits at. And it's going to slowly repair your ship whilst you steer it down the ocean. So this is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.